Ebusunya finally Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan any Bryan champion any guase big time enim guase egu omo no menya sure say ombetimi free omo betimi free say enim guase we so early etiene the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party yewura eya Justin Frimpon Kodua ekopiem ewo obi asempa ehwo so na oho na obabe di beto dwa say NPP party na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di anim as the flag bearer in the 2024 general elections. Oba Bontin be Concede defeat on the 8th of December 2024 Sunday and about 2 by 9 o'clock no. Na enye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a decision. Na mom no eye NPP osnuko kukomo na okuo no na etrase including omu JFK any the stakeholders of the party ni mpanifo nya na etrase. And omu decide say about one ye lusu eno nti no e wo se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba na obedi tumu se NPP di nkukuo na ema asundwe eba oman ne mu eno nti kom ye de se nka Bawumia kra no Concede eye da Saturday anyu beni ato aba ne wie na eno no general secretary ne ka say no yen train because some of the constituencies yen kan aba ne wie ye enti ba wo china de so fa ne aka mebere wie enti yen no china no pa eno na mo so ma wo ko tu ko share Saturday Sunday a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia beji tu mu on that Sunday morning na Ghana fo nyina ehu ni wiase nyina hu ye no eno nti enye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene nkwa na kwatena asere mo no eye the New Patriotic Party a Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan no kra no oka hu bi he is aware onim wait am so Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko ne Japan no yewudini he is a wicked man. Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan is a wicked man. He is a wicked man or a wicked or wudini or sounds to a person kumunya. He is also very selfish. Onya na nke ono nkwa senya ono a eni say you be foforo. That is Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan for you. And then eni meguase na me sure say me kasa ase me bi kwa won njin di baka so me bo meti na maka bibi na JFK nka ahwe eno ti be yi video a JFK ankasa enum ton ene nsem odi to dwa na kire wo na wankasa do wani ayeden ahwe bi na wi a kire wadwo comment section for mami hi Ghana Nsem TV bidin ameje so any promise uwie na wonya subscribe ya subscribe channel no for mami o Facebook promise the blogger sanso and a TikTok so promise the blogger. Now yenko tin nsem the general secretary of the New Patriotic Party yewura Justin lawyer Frimpon Kodua ade atodwa na area ya ba kire adwin ewo ho
Bawumia ene transe a ono kwa aka se wonko se okọ Concede yes no kwa na transe wakan party no transe penifo a omo matter stakeholders o matter no motiwo
the decision for the early concession
decision whether it was right or it was wrong and not Dr. Bawumia nkwa adwene and the party ni na stakeholders o mo nyina and take this decision. Let's be fair. It does not matter say open asem but asema enyo no nkwa de me mo bin kanto no so strong rumor that the situational rumor me kase me body a penifo bo nya ye transe election ye to about Saturday by 8 p.m. they won the results na ko if I nipa de bi kwa no mo susu say kanadwena Saturday na nadwena no ko won jintum
declare
nem kase there bi
you were in that meeting.
I was in that meeting am kase there bi mo ntwen because your constituency bi ha yenyan wiye if anything kwa yenko next day kenesa akwa kama cast that day na kanadwena no ka ojitum so but nyina echi no the rationale behind it say there are not tension ewo o memwa na we akoto aba na ohun say bi wan di nkunim obobo abraka say okay ene memma man mu emu ai de tension be tuma koso amanfo akoma betu ama mo hwe TV omo ama bibi ha omo dwuro man ne basabasi obesi Ghana ho boni ba besi Ghana ho. It was in good spirit and at that meeting no omo kind of about me agitum
media me wo gidie ewo nyame mo akamfo mo na mobu mo be mo se aboa oni dua no nyame ene pra ne ho me gidi se onyame obepra me ho me gidi se nyame bepra me ho
se wo hwe se wati se wahu afei de won se Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan eye boyni ayefo wudini bonsam na ote NPP party nim no eye Honorable Kennedy Akompre ko Japan se wo hwehwe bonsam Judas wudini no ewo NPP mu ne wan huna na wo shona wo Canada compare Japan na sign that's ono a any NPP Judas ona NPP ya bonsam NPP bebe opposition na no e na wo Canada compare Japan ona na koton NPP party no e de kokoji iska oton party ni monyam ne party ni secret because of any selfish interest nti eno nti na ye wo bia ye wo ene me say se wo be blame no a blame honorable Kennedy compare Japan because he is the reasoner and the new patriotic party our opposition. He is the reason. He is the main reason. There is no any other person than Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan. He is the reason why and the new patriotic party our opposition. This man claiming and say he loves Ghana, but in the real world, you know, and a real life, you know, or Ghana and Nana Kumaso. Or Pabonti so for us, essay on Casane Mamu Ghana for. On funny pan yashe, Upunipa Senipa Yamua, or Abu Canada compare Japan, Yankopong and the AU woto. Ama Ghana for whom would dinia, we would dini, maybe they be a maca, so we would dini, Peppy be party ni. Nam could can't torture delegate, assuming say you don't even know. But from what JFK is saying, he doesn't want to mention names. But from what he's saying, it means that you also know. Because before we go 2024 general elections now, everything shows that you were part of the leadership of the party. Because after say a core prime minister in 2023, you don't account a lot of the decision making is no. They are called neck meeting that day and now could be. So it means you also knew about this decision a party take here. But what did you do? You came out and lied to Ghanaians. Say, now dear, now we name Moshi. As I said, now won't say that. Not knowing that you knew this all this while. Now, Bryan Champion cried the water. I was not expecting you to do those kind of campaign, but I was an answer what could down why you didn't. I mentioned I was saying who answer. Now it's over camera and do what you do on why you didn't. Because at first, now I say political career. But now no. Me won say why you okay nti no no Bawumia wi ai do beba because we face team region ye de no but in Japan wono wa wie ya brewase ye political career and ye go no ye siew say the safe no ye siew political career no there is no way say wo Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan wo betimi abeli di NPP me ka kire party way there is no way wo Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan beli di da wo pa atwene mu ene betin koye pe konsu ase kofo me watabra emfa ko heaven ko se Yakopon number be bi mawo is not gonna work me maka na maka and me ka nipa over 2 million and they decided because ye kasama nipa be 3 million timitie tells you that Honorable Kennedy Akompre Japan will control the street more than you and unti sa unsem hu na wo your mother side no this time around no father side nemfa sa concept now 2023 no 2026 emfa nyame ya roma 31st of January 2026 ye be kira wo say to da kuna ujimoko ha ye Ghana Nsem TV midin